Okay, so as you'll know, I have been going in and redoing my studio and trying to get organized. We have a recital in the middle of all this organization, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what I've gotten done. So I'm going to open up and show you what I've done. I got my looms hanging. That's my preferred way. And that is all yarn. Okay. There's a shelf that's going to go in so that this is easier to pull out. But when you pull them open, you'll see that there's yarn in each of these. And it kind of works like a book. So you can shove them in there and works like a book. And so there's all more yarn up there. And I've got to go in and add labels to the ends that says what the yarn is. This cabinet has been really nice to have, and as you can see, there's more yarn. And I managed to get pretty much all my yarn in these 3 compartments of this big old cabinet, and this cabinet is huge. As you can see, and my preferred way is to hang my looms, and there's multiple ones in these cases. You can actually get those round cases online, but I think I saved them from something I had ordered, and they work great for stuff like that. So yeah, there's yet another version. Now, if you do sewing, then we're still working on that. So like all that bottom section is just jewelry making. Okay, so that's all jewelry making. And this is all sewing, and I'm not done with it yet. So this is like rickrack and bias binding and specialty trims. But the biggest thing, and I'd really like to break this down, is all this is buttons. All of it. This took me days to get organized, the buttons. They're color-coded. But yeah, there's all your buttons, how you can organize buttons if you've got a lot of them. The other thing that I've done is organize ribbons and lace trims. And then my mom prefers the gathered lace there. And this is interfacing. I'm going to actually put that in a soft container so that it pushes up in there a little easier. So that's a cool thing. This is all sticker making stuff. Washi tape, stickers, sticker making, that kind of thing. And the bottom is all my computer stuff, camera stuff, that kind of thing. It's pretty packed. I'm probably going to still be packing it up. So yeah, it's taking a bit to get organized. I have my embroidery box to get organized. So I'm still in progress. This is all thread. So you get your serger thread, bobbins, more thread. So got a lot of thread. But everything's still getting organized. And this is still getting organized. But I'm not quite done yet. When I get done, I'll show you all the details. But that's just the start.